So this is how to scrape leads using Lemlist tool. So let's assume I want to scrape a lead from a particular city or state. All I have to do is to click on the city/state and then I'll search for it. I want to search a particular state in Nigeria. So I'll click on, let me say, Edo State, and then I'll search. So here we are. You can, as you can see, you have so many names. List of people living in Edo State. We have over 28,000 names. So 29,000 people living in Edo State. So this is how to search a particular group of people in a state or city using the Lemlist tool.